One of the defining features of interdisciplinary work is its reliance on the insights from multiple disciplines. In order to identify those insights, information from both disciplines must be communicated, shared across the boundaries of those disciplines. The theory of cognitive interdisciplinarity encourages us to identify common ground by integrating conflicting assumptions, theories, concepts, values, or principles. All of that communication that occurs between disciplines then has to be analyzed. Some of that communication is going to indicate commonalities, some of it's going to indicate conflicts. This particular theory says that common ground and conflicts are essential to teasing apart all of the information. We've already defined common ground in social terms. Now let's define it in interdisciplinary terms. Researchers like Clark, Brahm, and Newell define common ground in different ways. Here are 3 ways that their 3 definitions are similar. 1, common ground is something that interdisciplinarians must create. Even though it's not part of the definition of interdisciplinary studies, common ground is essential to the whole process. 2, creating common ground involves some sort of modification or reinterpretation of information within a discipline, especially when that information conflicts with information from another discipline. 3, modifying or reinterpreting concepts, assumptions, or theories to reduce conflict between them. It involves using various techniques. You'll learn more about these techniques in this class, and you'll practice identifying common ground. When interdisciplinarity started gaining traction in higher education, skeptics wondered, how will interdisciplinarians study their disciplines if theory testing is not the top priority? For many years, interdisciplinarians worked on building the epistemological framework, the foundation of knowledge, the methods, the principles, the techniques. Today, we have a much better understanding of what it takes to study problems from an interdisciplinary perspective. These 3 similarities between Clark, Brahm, and Newell's definitions of common ground illuminate the very essence of the field. Identifying common ground to reduce conflict between disciplines in order to better understand a topic. This leads us to the textbook's definition of common ground: the shared basis that exists between conflicting disciplinary insights and the shared basis that makes integration possible. Without common ground, we do not have interdisciplinarity.